Once again, good morning.
Good morning.
Vinay.
You all received yesterday's demo video and document.
Yeah.
Yes.
So in case you don't find it, you can go to YouTube and you will find the videos, demo videos you can look into. And there are many people call me on this number, even I'm expecting from others. Call me in between 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. or 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. for your suggestions or queries or questions. Don't disclose your personal details in the demo. Call me separately, we'll discuss. Anything related to demo, kindly ask in the classroom. Right. Let me start my day. So my name is Vinay and my contact number is this second contact number. And I'm a working professional and the current class duration 60 hours. It is a very detailed training and time is 1 hour and daily days Monday to Friday and monthly 2 Saturdays you are having classes. But Saturdays usually I cover additional sessions, not the Power BI related content. Monday to Friday Power BI content and Saturday additional sessions. So what are the additional sessions? I will tell you. Sir, I don't have 60 hours time. Then, and you are in rush and you want to finish in 1 week or 10 days. You can take my videos and do it. Or you can attend 2 batches parallelly so that you can complete within a month. I will tell you how to complete within a month. If you really rush to join somewhere, then only take this. Otherwise, go slowly. And you want to enjoy with the subject, you want to learn in detail, attend all the days. We're not going to drag on the subject. There are many topics. I will give you all the topics. And fast track also available. There are different trainers. They will take fast track classes. And what are the components I'm covering? I will cover your environment components. You are going to join in data warehousing environment. So data warehousing fundamental, data modeling fundamental, both I will cover. I will cover project tools like Azure methodology, in GitHub. This kind of tools also I will cover. And projects and case studies, 2 near real-time projects I will cover. Multiple case studies also I will cover. 3 to 4 hour SQL sessions I will take. That is not sufficient. Within 3-4 hours, no one can cover complete subject. That is just to give a heads up or some brief connectivity and important topics while working with Power BI. But my recommendation, and it is compulsory, learn overview of SQL and prioritize 9 topics. There are 9 topics, you need to prioritize it. And for job trials, resume preparation is important. I will help you. FAQs, I will help you. Mock interviews. I will conduct mock interviews. And cloud components. So Power BI at desktop level, these are the components required. All I'm going to cover. Power BI service level, these are components required. And DAX language required. So these are all cloud components of Power BI. I'm going to cover all. Next, on-premises components. Within your organization servers, Power BI servers you can install. You can work with Power BI servers. So this is for cloud operations, on-premises operations. Even I will cover page-related report builder, which is important. And Power Apps and Power Automate, 3 to 4 hour session I will cover. So these are the tools and components I'm going to cover in the next 2 months. So not just covering, as I told you, good theory and practical material I will give you for each topic, and live class video you will receive. And the training is fully practical on the training. So from today, everything is practical. And you will be having good interaction with me. Resume preparation, anyway, I will help you. WhatsApp group also created. Yeah, FAQs also discussed. And the training is highly suitable for these positions. Less than 5 years in Power BI. You taught like IT experience, maybe any, but Power BI level less than 5 only you can keep. More than 5 require at least 1 or 2 projects end-to-end knowledge. And these are the opportunities available for more than 5. Modeler role, designer role, architect role. So 1 to projects end-to-end knowledge is compulsory. So these are the opportunities available. Last class I explained this. After this I explained last class. First demo content. Data to Power Platform hierarchy. The people who joined today, they may feel little panic, like trainer is going fast, but I already covered this yesterday, so I'm maintaining little speed. For the fresh part, I will go slowly. I will share yesterday video also with you. Kindly go through the video. We cannot discuss again and again the same subject. So yesterday I explained this hierarchy as it is important. I will brief this and then we go to fresh part. Data. We have 3 types of data in IT industry. Majorly structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. We have 2 types of storages in IT. File storage, database table storage. We have 2 storages, storage areas in IT. Cloud area, on-premises area. First one done. IT applications, majorly 2 types. One will run business, one will analyze business. So business running applications different, business analysis applications different. These applications can also be called BA applications, business intelligence applications. Since 90 BA applications available. I explained a detailed diagram. Legacy BA. Legacy BA. We need multiple tools, multiple setups, multiple resources, so costly approach. But middle-aged BA, one suit is sufficient to perform end-to-end process, one suit. And MSBA comes into that. I told you what is the market of MSBA, why Microsoft released Power BI also. There is a reason why Power BI released when my MSBA available, that I explained clearly. And modern BA. Modern BA is Power BI, Tableau, ClickView and all. And Power BI is an added power features to the existing BI. For the existing MSBA, there are many features added, that is Power BI. Example, end-to-end operation in a single application. And you can display Power BI information in multiple platforms, mobile, tab, web, etc. and better embedding is there. What is embedding? You can place Power BI reports in other applications easily, like Facebook, Twitter, your company website level, your company web portal level. You want to place easily possible. That is called embedding. Yeah, social media or anywhere. And Power BI can work with multiple data sources. Cloud and on-premises supported. And there are many features I explained yesterday. I will revisit the diagram again. Don't worry. And 2013 to 2019. So Power BI invented July 2013. Until 2019, it is standalone, individual component. But 2019 onwards, it is as part of Power Platform. What is Power Platform? It's a low-code platform where we have 5 components. And Power BI is one of the components. I also explained about these components yesterday. So this is the history. This is about data, storages, types, which I explained yesterday. IT applications, BI process, 90s BI process. This is the first layer in the BA process, second layer in the BA process, third layer in the BA process, fourth layer in the BA process. Legacy 90s process, you take multiple tools, multiple components required. Middle age BA, if you take multiple components required, sorry, a suite is required. Middle age, our companies using suite. Suite contain multiple tools. Whereas go to Power BI, multiple concepts available, concept 1, concept 2, concept 3, to perform end-to-end process. So these are the concepts. So this concept works here, this concept works here, this concept works here. Sir, what about Azure BI? MSBI, we understood it's a self-service BI suite with multiple tools to perform end-to-end BI process. And Power BI having multiple components in a single application to perform end-to-end BI process. What about Azure BI? So I will explain this tomorrow. Otherwise, it looks more theory. I will explain this tomorrow. So what is the input of BI applications? Any data, anywhere, any type. Output is a report or dashboard. What is the difference between report and dashboard? After learning Power BI, you will develop reports and dashboards. Report is for detailed data understanding, and dashboard is for high-level data understanding. And report is for one operation. One operation, you will create report. And here, a set of operations. You can say subject area. For a particular subject area, we create a dashboard. Functionality area, task area, we create dashboard. So you are going to deal with any type of data, anywhere data, but ultimately report a dashboard generation. So BA, legacy, middle age, modern. And Microsoft is a leader for the last 16 years, I told you. Because of MSBA, it's a leader in analytics and BI. But still, Power BI, they announced. Why? I said, MSBA architecture is purely designed before 2004 market, because it was released in 2005. And MSBA restricted to only on-premises solution. It is a suite available, multiple tools required, not mobile friendly, not tab friendly. You cannot see MSBA reports in the mobiles and tabs. Very limited sources it will connect, limited. You cannot place MSBA report in a Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc., social media, and many places. That is called embedding. The average level of code is compulsory in MSBI, code writing. The visuals, data display components are very limited in MSBI. And every 2 to 3 years, there is a new release. So Microsoft decided to add more features to the existing BI because market changed drastically. After 2004 only cloud available. After 2004 only social media available. After 2004 only cloud, social, mobile and tabs available. They also want to extend their support. That is adding features, adding power to the BI, existing BI, that is Power BI. So if you want to conclude in a simple definition, Power BI is a self-service BI application which generate reports and dashboards from data. Simple, cute definition. Self-service BI, it has a lot of meaning. End-to-end it can do. Generate report or dashboard from the data. So what all MSBI level not possible, all possible in Power BI. Cloud support is there, on-premise is there. Cloud level you can keep, within your organization level you can keep. Self-service BI application. So each point A, this, point B, this. Full support to mobile and tab friendly. Here not possible, here possible. Limited data here, all types of data here. Not embedding, not better embedding, better embedding. It's average code required in MSBI, Power BI level low code sufficient. And report visuals and operations highly according to the current market. And Power BI level, we have monthly changes. That's the most important one. So released in July 2013. From 2013 to till this month, we have monthly updates. Last class, I showed you all the monthly updates. And after this, I explained Microsoft Power Platform. It's a low code platform. It's a low code application to generate reports and dashboards. Power Apps, low code application to generate apps, mobile and tab friendly apps. It's a low code application to perform RPA, robotic process automation. It's a low code application to create intelligent chatbots. It's a low code application to create web pages and websites. Got clarity? Right. And what is our topic today? This is what I covered yesterday. I will share this video with everyone. Otherwise, you can go to YouTube and watch it. No problem. Now, what is my concept? My concept is this. Power BI components. First one, Power BI components. Thank you so much. Power BI components. See guys, cloud components are different. Here we have Power BI desktop, Power BI service. On-premises components are different. Power BI report server desktop. Report server. Third one, Power BI report builder is different. Next one, mobile app publisher is different. Next one, gateway different. So these are the important components in Power BI. Coming to Power BI desktop. So this is a desktop where we do the report development. And here is the process, the BA process we implement. The extraction part, the transformation part, whatever I said, that completely we implement here. And Power BI related, those concepts are called Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power Map. These are Power BI related terminology that is possible only in the desktop. And these are called Power BI concepts. It's a report development component. So Power BI desktop, report development component, and you want to manage in the cloud level. This is your cloud service, app.powerbi.com. Here we place the report and manage the report. These two are clear. Here we don't create the reports. There is a possibility to create, but we don't create. And similarly, there is one more desktop called Power BI desktop, which is report server desktop. You may not heard about it, but there is a report server desktop. And this is report server, cloud server. Sorry, not cloud server, on-premises server. In our company, we will install it. We place this report in our company server and manage it. Managing means sharing to multiple people, providing security on the reports, etc. operations. So from here only, end users will connect. End users will never connect to this report. End users never use. Only the report which is in the cloud or server, end users will use. Are you okay? And there are some other components available here. Now, I will explain you Power BI desktop, how to develop a report and perform end-to-end process. If you have a little more time, I will cover how to place in the cloud and share, or how to administer. Both I will explain based on the time availability. After this session, my request, please practice this example. What are the input you require? I will give you in the email. And how to install this component, I will explain you. It is a free one. You can install it. And whatever the way I followed to generate a report like this, you need to generate. This is my family expenses data. Daily data. Day-wise information available. Every day, how much money I spent. This is called transactional data. What do you call it? Transactional. And if you look at this is called analytical data. Total money I spent, average money I spent, and total locations I traveled. In July month, my traveled locations, my spending. August month, my travel location spending, etc. This kind of simple report I want to generate. But if you want to convert this transactional data to analytical data like this, compulsory we need BA process. I told you already. And the BA process implemented in multiple layers. That also I told you, correct? And these layers implemented in area called BA tools. So legacy BA, initial BA, if you take multiple tools required to do this, it's not possible to do directly. Middle age, if you take one suite, but multiple tools required. But with Power BI single application, we can do the end-to-end BA process and generate a report. This is what I'm going to do. Even you are supposed to do. So where is the data? family expenses daily data. I used technical word yesterday, OLTP, transactional data. This is transactional data. Or you can say business running data. This is a business running data. Let me expand. The first one is just some description. We need to remove it. We don't need, because second one onwards, we are having data. Date, amount, reason, area, location. And 2020, this date, I spent money 1,000 for books, Motinagar, Hyderabad, 2,000 for food, Jagadamba Theatre, Vishakhapatnam, 3,000 travel, Vishakhapatnam, and Motinagar, Gazwaka, Vishakhapatnam, Amirpet, and Geo Internet, I purchased 700 rupees in Vijayawada. This is my spending. Even you take your own data or your hostel data, daily spending you take and generate a report. I'm using Power BI for my institute business as well as for my family business. It's easy to generate a report. There is an automated report. Every month it will go to my data, my business data, whatever receptionist type the data, it will generate a report and provide me a report every month. I made it automated. It's a very simple one. Even if you practice betterly, you can do it for your self operations, self-help process. You don't need to ask anyone to do it. Even you need not do calculations manually. So this is the data I want to convert into decision-making data. Like which location, so top locations I traveled, I want to know. And top reasons, top spendings. In which month I'm having highest spending. Only 2 months data available, but which month I'm having highest spending. Such kind of information I want. So what is the first one required? So our case study require Power BI desktop tool. What is desktop? Tell me about Windows desktop. What is desktop? Hey, come on, yeah. Set of graphical operations implementation area, which is user friendly. Similarly, Power BI desktop, set of Power BI graphical operations area. That's it. All are easy, understandable. And operations easily you can perform. Understandable and easily you can perform. Graphical. Now, minimal requirement I will tell you now. RAM, minimum 2 GB. OS, minimum Windows 8. Processor speed, minimum 2 GHz. These are the minimal requirements. More, I'll tell you tomorrow. Something additional required for display related, some requirements we have. Display related. And size related, some requirements available. Those I will explain you tomorrow. Download, free to download, no charge. Comma, 3 ways available. First way, Google it. Advanced download, read instructions, and download. And the second way, third way available. These I will explain you tomorrow. Only first way. Which way is recommended? Third way recommended. What is this third way? I will tell you tomorrow, but that is a recommended way. I will download it now. Because third way, if I need to explain, I need to explain about accounts. Pro account, premium account, embedding account, multiple accounts available. I need to explain about accounts. That's the reason I'm not explaining now. I'm keeping it pending for tomorrow. We'll discuss about accounts first. Our first session is accounts and then download. So Google it. Power BI desktop download. Go to downloads. Microsoft Power BI desktop. Normal download, advanced download available. Go to any download. But especially go to advanced download. Because if you want to go to this, compulsory account is required. It will contact Microsoft Store. So you need an account, but here no account, nothing required. Directly you can download. Click on it. But before download, the best practice, read the statement. It will transform your data into actionable insights with reports and dashboards. So Microsoft Power BI desktop, download. Before downloading, the best practice is system requirements, installation instructions, details. No need to ask anyone about system requirements. Just go to this and see this. Now it is okay. I explained, but after 2 years, you want to download and install. Just go to this. Microsoft providing all the installation instructions here. Click download. So this is a size 658 MB. And this is for 64-bit machine. And this is for 32-bit machine. Usually our operating systems, two types, 64, 32-bit. x86 if it is showing 32. x64 it is showing 64-bit. So it always runs faster because the processing, the operations different, 64. So how do I come to know which one I need to download? In your Windows machine, just go to search area, sys info or sys. When you type sys, it will show you system information. Right click. OS, my OS is Windows 10 Pro. And my system type is 64-bit based PC. My processor is AMD Ryzen 3, and this is my speed, 2.6 megahertz. Dell machine, okay. Fine. So my installed RAM is 8 GB RAM. My system RAM. This information more or less you can find in an area. This PC, right click property. Here also you'll find it. This PC, right click properties. My device name, my processor name, RAM, device ID, product ID, system type, this. And I'm explaining to beginners, please don't write anything while I'm explaining, just focus on this. There will be little speed I'm accepting because of demo session. But regular classes, we go slowly, even you will get the video. If you feel speed, then you can reduce the speed and read it or watch it. Till 1.5 years, you have the videos access, you can open and practice. And don't depend on videos. If in case you're joining, live session will only give you good impression. Ready, sir? This is ready. Download it. After downloading, it will appear like this. I'm not downloading. It will appear like this. And just go to this. Next, next, finish. Once it is completed, you will find an icon like this. Are you able to see? This is cloud desktop. How to download, how to install, I explain. Similarly, in case on-premises operations you want to do, reports or desktop available. This is the reports or desktop, RS. There is something called RS. This is for on-premises. This is only for cloud. How to install and work on it, I will tell you in the regular classes. And for the time being, only cloud desktop, because 95% projects use cloud desktop. Okay. So you have data, you have application. What is the pending one? BA process. So open the application. Double click. I have installed. I got it on my desktop. Shortcut. Click on shortcut. And this is called get started page. So it will help you for various navigations. For example, you want to see this month update. Yes, this month update. No need to go to separate website. Just click on it. It will show you this month update. All months updates you want to see. So this one blog. Go to Power BI blog. Complete history of Power BI, you will find it. All months update. And you have some technical questions and queries. Power BI having wonderful forum support. You can contact these people. You will get the response at the earliest forums. You want to read some documentation. Yes, you can read it. You want to watch a couple of videos for topics. Yes, you can watch it. You're working in a project. You're not able to implement one particular concept. You want to refer to a video or material. Yes, you can do that. So just go to the concept and see this. And this is not good for learning. In case bits and pieces you want to learn or some concepts you want to have a quick reference, they are good. But systematic learning you will not find here. Now, but this part and this part is possible when you connect with an account. Already I connected with an account. This is account. If you don't connect with an account, these two won't appear. Videos and this support not available. When you practice today, you will not find these two because you don't have account. But tomorrow I will give you the account, then you will find these two support. So account is that much important. And this is Power BI desktop icon. And if you want to bring data to this desktop area, you can bring it. Or recently used data you want to take. Recently used data. Recently used reports you want to open. Recently used reports. As soon as you come to your office machine, you want to open the report quickly, then go to recent and open it. And you want to open other reports. And this page is called get started page. What do you call it? All of you clear with this page? Online people? Current month updates, complete history, technical help from your neighbor companies or experts, reference materials, reference videos to bring the data, recent reports, other reports. This is Power BI account. Close. And this is a main interface. Sir, can I get the previous window again? You can get it. Go to File menu, get started. I will sign out here. See this? Signing out. Now I'm opening File menu, get started. It is not showing material. It is not showing videos. So when you practice today, this is a look and feel, you'll find it. Understood? Good. So this is the main interface. Some people call self-service BA interface. It will take data, perform extract operations, transform operations, model operations, modeling meaning relationships, secure operations, visuals operation, Finally, BA data generated, business intelligence data. And it's a colorblind friendly interface. Meaning colorblind people can work on. The first BA application in the market, which is colorblind friendly, Power BI. MSB is not colorblind friendly. Tableau is not colorblind friendly. You will find different colors, but Power BI level, nowhere you see complex colors, contrast colors, and different types of colors. Colorblind people can work on. Nowadays, mobiles, tabs everywhere, eye friendly, non-eye friendly. Even this application, no non-eye friendly, complete eye friendly. And this is the first operation, extract. Second BA operation, third BA operation, fourth BA operation, fifth BA operation. This is BA process, business intelligence process. So daily we are going to discuss the same. You feel bored. First day it looks little complex. Kindly adjust for those who are new to IT. So this is extraction part 1. This is transformation part 2. This is modeling part 3. This is security part 4. This is reporting part 5. All areas are nearby. The same thing if you want to do in MSBI, 3 tools compulsory you need to install. 3 to 4 tools. The same thing you want to do old versions, 95, 97 around, compulsory 3 different setups, tools from different companies required, 3 licenses required, but here not required, all in a single area. Next, one more. And this is quickly saving the report. If you want to save quickly, on top, this is title of the, not report, title of the document. This is called document, title of the document. And this is minimizing the document, this document, maximizing the document, closing the document. And this is account information. And these are all called menu tabs. Right now, home is underlined and home options you are able to see. This is called home ribbon. And these are 3 views. This is a home ribbon. Similarly, insert ribbon, modeling ribbon, view ribbon, help ribbon, multiple ribbons available. Now, these are the 3 views available. And this is report view. And here is a place we'll take the visuals from here. And this area is called visualization pane area. Visuals pane area. Pane is a rectangle with set of options. So we take in the report view level visuals, data, this data, and some concepts. The report symbol is there. This is data view. If you want to see the data and this data you want to see, then go to data view. Relationship. If 2 or more tables available, in Power BI level, we call it as a queries. 2 or more tables available, but if 2 or more tables available, you want to connect them or you want to establish relationships. And there are more operations we will do, but for the time being, establishing relationships. Model view. So 3 views available, menu tabs available. This is menu ribbon, visualization pane with visuals option. This is called fields pane with the data options. And this area is called data set area. What do you call it? Data. This is filtering area. Filter pane. filter options available. And this is one page. You can click plus to see multiple pages. This plus, 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 plus. So one single document can have multiple pages. One single document can have multiple pages. This is some brief information about the first screen. Now, what to do? If you want to implement our business operations, business analysis on the data, our family data level, we need to extract the data first. I know the data is not appearing properly, so we need to transform it next. Modeling, only one available, so modeling I'm not going to do. Only one table, right? And security I'm not applying. It's a different topic. So third and fourth I'm not explaining. Fifth I will explain reporting. By using visuals and this, I will generate report. So 1, 2, 5 in the BI process I will explain today. How to bring the data? Click get data. Excel workbook. It is in my machine. Family data. Click open. Select first table. It is having data. Just load, don't worry. What I did, get data, Excel, browse to Excel, select the worksheet, click load. Now, first data loaded. What is the second step? We need to verify the data. And this data, something it is showing import, storage mode. What is that? I will tell you tomorrow. But for the time being, this data you want to verify. I told you this is a data area. Click on data area. Now you will find the data. They're not in a proper way. Do you know why? Because of this information. If you delete this and if you make this as column heading, data looks good, isn't it? If you delete this, if you make this one as column heading, good. So the data change is required and we call it as transformation. We need to transform this. Second one, I want to do monthly analysis. Just check month is available. This is date available. Amount available, reason available, area available, location available. I don't have year, I don't have month. So from the date I want to fetch month, from the date I want to fetch year. How is it possible? How is it possible? So very simple for those two, just click on this area, transform data. This was the first area, this is the second area, transform. So we came to a different window. This window is called Power Query window, where we perform transformations. Even you want to get the data, you can bring it. So some people say extract transform area. Extract transform area. Good. Explore bigger. So this is your data. I want to consider this one as column heading. How is it possible? So simple. There is an option here. Look at this. Click on this corner. Use first row as headers. Is this okay? So what is that option? Click on it. Use first row as header. Because my first row having column headers, so I mentioned here. So your data appearing good. But what is missing here? I want from here year. I want from here month. How do you take? Click on it, add a column from examples. No need to write any code. See the beautiness of Power BI. Add column from examples for the existing columns. One more column it will add. Click on it. So this is opening here. Just click on this. Click on empty cell. Select year. Where is the year available? This is year. At least one year you select, double click. So from here, it is taking only year. From the date, it is taking year. Similarly, month also. Once again, I'm doing, click on it, add a column from examples. No need to write any code. In this empty cell, click on it, select 1 month. Month name I will select. Click month name. Double click. From the date, it will take month name. This is 8th month. 8th month means August. August we got. Come down. 7th month means July. Showing me properly? So click OK. I took proper column headings, year and month, I brought it. And your operations completed. Now save the changes and close this window. So go to this under home tab, close and apply, close and apply. Apply means save the changes, close means close. You can ask me, sir, why they did not given a word called save? They did not give a word called save. Already save, we are using multiple places. So they want to give something different, that is apply. Apply indicates saving the changes and finally closing here. Successfully the changes completed. So regular classes will go little slow, don't worry. That window closed, transformation window. Now click on it. Data view, this data view. We have year, month name, column headings proper, data proper. That's what transformation. We extracted and transformed. Relationship, only one table available, no relationship. This is the relationships area. Security, I'm not going to explain, later I will explain. But reporting, this reporting is required, focus. My first concentration, location-wise, sorry, year-wise, location-wise, values I want to show. Each year, every location, how much money I spent. Take a table visual. Table visual. This is table. These visuals discussion we'll have for 10 days. Visuals and visual concepts. Right now, I'm explaining high level, very high level. So this is a table visual. Go to this. Columns. I want year. Drag and drop year or select year. When you drag and drop, it may show sum. So click on this. Mention here, don't summarize. Sum. Next one, I want location. Take location. Year and location. Take amount. Amount. Automate, it will take total. If you want average, you can select it. Go to this, here average. See, this is ready. Sir, can I see bigger font? Go to this and see. Year-wise, location-wise amount. 19 Hyderabad value, 19 Vijayawada value, 19 Visakhapatnam value. 20 Hyderabad value, 20 Siddipet, 20 Suryapet value. Total value. You did not write any code, but you got the result. Just I selected this, and then I selected one by one here. Ready. One table visual ready. You want to format it, just go to this area, format your visual. Here we take the columns. Here we format it. Go to grid area. Complete all formation. Options. Global font size 20 size. I want to take a border. Go to general area, effects, visual border on. Ready. I want to compare it. For which reason I spent more money. This is comparison. Bar chart. Tick bar chart. For which reason I spent more money. Reason you take in the y-axis. This is y-axis. And x-axis level amount I want to take. Amount. This is x-axis. I want to explore bigger, focus more. See, food. I spent 55,900, highest money. Second highest travel, 26,200. And lowest books, 5,000. Top spending, bottom spending, and comparison. I want to take a border, go to this general effect border. Now I want to see percentages. How much percentage money I spent in every location. Just take pie chart. This is a pie chart. I will take location, legend is location, value level amount. I'll make little small. Explore bigger. See, it's telling Hyderabad location 34% money. Legend location value amount, that's it. It is automatically giving Hyderabad percentage, Visakhapatnam percentage, Vijayawada percentage, Siddipet percentage, Suryapet percentage. Total 100%. Go to this FX border. Now one more. I want to check my locations. Go to map. Mapping also you can develop. Locations, my traveled locations. This is a map you select. This is a map. Location level, location you take. Here size level, bubble size level, amount you place. Now explore bigger. So these are the locations I traveled, and maybe highest money in Visakhapatnam, bigger bubble. Lowest money in Suryapet, small bubble. Map is ready. Bubble control also ready. Go to this general effect visual border home. Got clarity? Next, I want to take filters. There is an automatic filtering in Power BI. If you click on this, Hyderabad, it will show you Hyderabad data everywhere. This beautiness is there only in Power BI. We call it as a cross filtering, cross highlighting. So when you click on it, respect to data. But I don't want like this. I separately want a filter. Just click on slicer. Take year here. But it's not looking good. So go to format your visual, slicer setting. Option level vertical list you take. 1920. Visible. Take border later. Or now you want to take general effect border. Take one more slicer. I will place month name. Ready. Click on it. General effect month name. Click 19. So 19 data only showing. August data showing. 19 August. 20. 20 data, July, 20 July. Is it changing? So this is the way we can develop a report. So this is not called a report because we got the data, we transformed it, we modeled it, multiple things we did. So this is called document. What do you call it? So file menu, save. Normally Word document saved with docx. Excel documents save with XLSX. Power BI document save with PBIX. So Word document docx, Excel document XLSX, Power BI document PBIX. Yes, this is PBIX. I will save here. When I take Power BI first report document. File menu, save. Successful. But this document we never share to customer and he does not require. He require only this part. How do you share only this part to customer? In that situation, you need to move to cloud. You need to move to server. From here only your customers will access. First of all, from this report, only this one we need to pass to cloud. Then only customer will access. Customer does not require your transformation area, modeling area, security area. He just wants this interface. How do you move it? Desktop downloading is free, report generation free. But if you want to share and utilize it, compulsory account is required, service or server is required. Got my point? With Power BI desktop, you can develop a document like this. But if you want to share this with customers, compulsory service or server required, because customers come to server and service only. How is it possible? That I will explain you tomorrow. We don't have enough time. I will explain it tomorrow. Let me close this. Go to this documents area. So this is the first Power BI report. How is it saying? Not report, document. Power BI desktop document. So we successfully completed whatever I planned. I got the data. I transformed it. I took visuals and placed and generated a user interactive report. Little speed I maintained, I to accept, but we don't have time, right? So is it complex to perform or easy to perform operations? Easy, right? So please complete it today. This easy operation. Sir, I had, we need little coding also. Yes. Some average, minimum, maximum, running total, basic formulas, no problem. Microsoft given all, you can use it, no need to write logic. But your company having some different operations, your company having different logics, that time we use a simple formula language called DAX, not a programming language, formula language, like Excel formula kind of. Excel formula kind of language available called DAX. Except this area, there are no complexities in Power BI. All are easy, understandable options. So when your company wants to implement own operations, that time anyway we need to write it. So we need to use DAX language formulas and write it, not programming language. That's why Microsoft calling a little coding area, a low code application. So some average count and standard deviation, variance, running total, and category total, all formulas already available, we can select it. Beyond that, if you want to do the operations, then you need to write the expressions. Okay, fine, sir. So I'm done with my part, whatever I planned for today. And you know very well, the duration is 2 months. My objective, 70 to 80% certification course coverage and suitable for interview cracking and working in real time. And what all you need is daily attendance with patience. Prerequisite, any IT aspirator can learn. Excel or SQL knowledge is advantage. Qualification, any degree.